Come view this stunning 6-bedroom 3.5-bath home located on 4 air conditioner in the heart of Hernando. Convenient to downtown and schools. Located within the city limits but grandfathered in to have horses on your land. The exterior features brick exterior of easy maintenance, level lot and stunning landscaping. As you walk in the front door you will be welcomed by an impeccable entry with views of the formal dining and living room. Elegant arches and crown molding are throughout the downstairs with an elegant stairwell to the second floor. This home features a formal dining room, stylish living area with gas log fireplace, sunroom that is open to the living room, granite countertops and open eat-in kitchen. The laundry has a granite folding table with lots of cabinets. The second floor features a large landing that could be used for multitudinous setup.